Well, good afternoon. My name is Frank Kutka. I work here at the College of Menominee Nation, and I'm going to demonstrate the use of a Kosa or Scythe. We've got some grass here that's gotten away from us, and we could fight our way through with a power mower, but I'm going to show you what a very quiet, sustainable alternative might do in the hands of a total beginner, which I am. So before I get started here, I'm going to try to sharpen up my blade a little bit. I've got here a sharpening stone and a little water holster. Just going to touch up this edge a little bit. And hopefully we're doing it right. As a beginner, I can only guess. At any rate, this is a very fine scythe from Canada. The handle's from Canada. The blade here is a weed blade. It's kind of short and stiff. Comes from Italy. Has a nice little tip here to help bounce off of rocks if you get into rough places. Is that the one to use here for the grass? Well, it's the one we got, so we'll give it a try anyway. So it has been adjusted for my height more or less, and I'm going to just give it a try here. So. Is that beautiful technique? I don't know. But I'm cutting some grass. So as I'm swinging, each swing I take a little bit of a step, so I move forward about 3 or 4 inches, I suppose, maybe a little bit more. Just cut a little bit extra each time. It's done okay as far as taking down the big mess. It's a little bit of a workout, of course. I'm breathing hard, as you can hear, but doing a very nice job. No noise, a little exercise. What better way to spend your day than with a nice sharp Kosa? Anyway, take care out there.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay, English really good. You just gotta get it. I'll go again.
I did do a boxing stance. I'm at it 90 degrees.
This?
Yeah.
Kind of tough, actually.
That's ugly. I think you got her though. Look at your...
Grass is starting to cut.
Am I get it? Matter of technique.
Yeah, it's a bit long.
Choke it a little bit as you come around so it stays low. Otherwise, when I swing it, it always goes into the floor.
Yeah, no, it's too long for me. It's a little bit weird.
Yeah, I might have to change the handle sometime when I'm good to go because it's not set for you.
No, that's okay.
Oh, because you can move it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
still pretty fun.